On behalf of the African Media Initiative, I'd like to welcome you to the East African Analog to Digital Television Migration Workshop. My name is Meredith Beal. I'm a Knight International Journalism Fellow supporting the African Media Initiative's Business Development and Management Program. We'd like to thank our partners and co-sponsors, the Ministry of Information and Communications of the Government of Kenya, Permanent Secretary Dr. Betanya Ndemo, the Kenya Media Program, United States Telecommunications Training Institute, our host, African Advanced Level Telecommunications Institute, better known as AFRALTI, and MultiChoice. The impending migration affects everyone and offers a number of opportunities as well as challenges. We recognize that we can support the effort, the migration effort, by bringing people together and allowing them to share experiences and insights. A successful migration is a collaborative effort, and because it affects everyone, everyone needs to be involved. It involves the public, government, the media, and civil society. Let us take advantage of the opportunities that this presents and overcome the challenges so that as many people as possible may benefit from the impending changes that are enabled by this new technology. So we'd like to thank you for coming, particularly those who had to travel from long distance to get here. And over the next few days, we hope that you will find the gathering meaningful. So now I would like to introduce our host, AFRALTI, represented by the director, Vusumuzi Makamani.